If you are ready to leave your 9 to 5 and leave your corporate job, here are some easy, cheap, and free ways to leave it right away. So one of the things that you could do is if you are in HR or some kind of profession like I am in marketing, you can literally do consulting. You can do consulting on what you know. So it's something super easy that you can do right away. You already have the knowledge. You don't have to learn anything. All you have to do is set up an LLC, get some kind of place where you can take money, like Stripe or something like that, and then you're already going. And all you have to do is go into your existing contacts of everyone you know and be like, hey, I went out on my own. I would love to help you with some marketing consulting, and start doing your first couple of customers, a couple of clients, and then you have testimonials and case studies, and then it grows from there. All right, let's say you don't want to do your job that you did in corporate. That's totally okay. Happens to a lot of us. And I just helped somebody like that. She was in corporate, hated it, didn't want to do it anymore, and she liked to paint. She was not a professional painter, nothing fancy. She's never even sold anything, but she was good at painting. So she decided to grow a painting membership, and she shows people how to do landscape painting. Super easy. Again, LLC, got a Stripe, and then started coaching it. And she started marketing it on Instagram organically. So that means it's for free, it's cheap, or it's for free. You don't even have to pay for it. And she started just growing her Instagram. People liked what she did, and then they joined her membership. Of course, you can always up the stuff, right? You can always go more expensive if you want to. You can start doing lead ads, those types of things, and start spending money, and you can grow even faster. The next thing that I like, and a lot of people have done, is digital products. So digital products, pretty all over the place. You can do anything. You can do courses, you can do memberships, you can have checklists, PDFs. There's this cool thing that I've been seeing a lot on YouTube where people do screensavers for televisions, and literally they have like these really pretty pictures of a Christmas scene, and then it runs for 2 hours. It's your screensaver for your television, and then they get paid on YouTube. Another thing you could do is affiliates. And I do tell all of my clients, once I work with them for a while and they're successful, I tell them to look at affiliates that make sense. So for example, for me, I have YouTube. So I have I work with a company called vidIQ, and I'm their affiliate. So I get affiliate payments whenever somebody downloads vidIQ. Same thing with Kajabi. Kajabi is a website that I'm on that I use, and anybody that actually gets Kajabi from my link, I get paid. So there's all these income streams that you can do, right? You can do the consulting and affiliates and digital products and courses. There's so many ways to do that. You just need to get started. So one of the things that I like to do with my clients is if they're brand new, they're leaving corporate, they don't know what to do, or they start out as a side hustle at first, I just help them come up with what is the right thing for them to do. Then once we figure out the offer and what it is that they're selling, then I help them up with their lead generation system. And that's what I specialize in. I've been in marketing for 25 years. I love leads, and those obviously are supposed to turn into clients. So then I help with the sales aspect of it. How do you actually get your leads to convert? So I just gave you a couple of ideas. There are so many more. There's hundreds of ways you can leave corporate. You can start as a side hustle. You don't need to leave it right away. A lot of the clients that I work with, that's what we did. We built a side hustle before we made that big move. So we had some kind of income coming in. So if you need help, you know where I'm at. Go to my website and leave me a comment. I'd love to know what side hustles you're considering.